Everyone, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. I'm starting out this video actually preparing to go to a shoot. So we had a spring summer shoot, and so I had to take quite a few things, just like props, flowers, and just random things, to be honest, to the studio. So this is me on my way to the studio. I actually got a ton of footage, but I just didn't want to show too much. But this is sort of partly what I do. We don't have shoots all the time, but I do enjoy shoot days. So the fro is out, as you can see, in full force. I actually trimmed off so much hair. Was it yesterday or the day before? I trimmed off so much just because I'm just learning about like dead ends and things like that. And I do eventually want to get it done professionally, because obviously I'm not professional, but I did go on YouTube and I watched a bunch of videos. So I think I did a pretty good job, but I'm actually getting it braided the day after tomorrow, which I need it because natural hair is a lot of work to deal with. But I just got a package in the mail, and I think I'm going to, I know what it is, but I think I'm definitely going to do a haul, which you'll probably see by the time you see this vlog. You'll probably see that haul already, but let's see what's inside. So I've just quickly opened my package. I'm going to quickly go through what I got. Like I said, I'm going to do a haul. I'm planning on doing a fragrance haul, but I'm just going to quickly whiz through all of this stuff. So I got the Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming. This is a repurchase. I've repurchased it so many times. It's an absolute favourite of mine. I love it. Every time I run out of it, I always run to repurchase. I did end up only getting the 30ml or the 1 fluid ounces because they were only having 10% off Miss Dior, or they were having only 10% off all Dior products. And so I decided to only go for the smaller bottle, but I love this fragrance. I believe I've done a review as well as a fragrance battle with the original Miss Dior on my channel, and I'll leave that in the link below if you're interested. I also got the Victor and Rolf Bonbon in the 30ml or the 1 fluid ounces. I thought I bought this in the 50ml. Okay, I need to check my order, but I actually tried this fragrance a few years back when I went to Cape Verde in, I believe, 2017. I purchased this at the airport, and so this fragrance reminds me of my time in Cape Verde. I decided to repurchase it because I do remember liking it, and I remember when my first bottle ran out, I just never repurchased it for some reason. But I am planning on doing a review on this because I don't think I've done a review on this on my channel. So I'm definitely gonna do a review on this and do maybe a comparison with the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb or Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar. So stay tuned for that. And then talking of Victor and Rolf, I also picked up the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar. So this is actually the first time I'm trying it. So I have tried Flower Bomb, which I didn't purchase, but I haven't tried Flower Bomb Nectar, and I have smelt this in the store. With Flower Bomb Nectar, it only comes in the 50ml. Like the smallest bottle you can get is 50ml, and I think the largest is 100ml you can purchase. So I decided to go for the smallest one they have, but I'm super excited to try this. Like I said, I'm probably going to do a comparison with this and Bonbon, but we will see. And they were having 20% off Victor and Rolf products, so that's the reason why I decided to pick up 2. So those are the fragrances, which you probably would have already seen in the haul. And then I picked up a shampoo. So this is the Palmer's Olive Oil Formula with vitamin E. So I actually tried this a few months back, and it was just like a impulse buy because I needed a shampoo like ASAP, and I tried it because it was cheap, and I just thought, let me just quickly try this because I need something to wash my hair. And I absolutely loved it. Actually, like, I typically use this when I take up my braids, when I have built up a lot of residue and my hair is like literally disgusting and I need it stripped from all of that dirt. And I think it does a great job of cleaning my hair. As you can see, it's free from sulfates, parabens, etc, etc. And I think it's a pretty good product, and it's very, very affordable. So I've decided to repurchase it because I thought it did a great job at cleaning my hair. And then last but not least, which I don't know what that is, hold on. Has this been used? Okay, so I'm probably, yeah, that's a no. I'm going to email them and tell them they need to send me another one, because that looks like it's been opened. But anyway, I got the ORS or the ORS Curls Unleashed, the shea butter and mango moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This smells amazing. It smells absolutely delicious, and it was out of stock for the absolute longest, and I was so scared that they discontinued it because I could only find it on Amazon, and Amazon prices were absolutely ridiculous for how much you can actually get it for. And so when I saw that it was in stock again, I picked it up, and I wanted to get 2 or 3, but it would only allow me to pick up 1. So I'm assuming it's a very popular product. I just don't understand why that looks like that. That looks used. So I'm going to email their customer service, because that is not, I know it only goes on my hair, but that is not acceptable at all. I think that was delivered just now. I do have, I think, another package coming with, I think, 2 other fragrances. So I'm definitely going to do a fragrance haul, which I'm super excited to film that. And so after ice skating, we decided to go to the Ivy, as it was literally close by. And luckily they had a reservation, because it's usually fully booked on weekends. But I've been to the Ivy before, but I haven't been to this particular one. I've only been to the London Bridge branch, as well as the Ivy Asia. But I got the fish and chips, which is just a classic. And as you can see, my friend and I both got a double portion of chips, and that was because we didn't want the mushy peas, which mushy peas is such a British thing, but I don't like them. So we asked if we could get an extra portion of chips, which we did. And then my other friend, Micah, she got the wild mushroom and truffle linguine, which she said she really liked as well. Hello guys, I feel like I haven't seen you all in such a long time, because a lot of times I forget to bring out my camera. But as you have seen, I went ice skating, which I didn't really get much footage of me doing ice skating, because it takes a while to kind of get your rhythm, because at first I was a hot mess, but then towards the end I was actually pretty decent. But yeah, so we went to ice skating at Canary Wharf, and then after we had some time to spare, so we were kind of just walking around, went to Starbucks, we were just sitting there talking, and then after we went to the Ivy in Canary Wharf as well, which was really good. I had the fish and chips, which you would have seen. But yeah, overall it was a really good day. It was a full day, but yeah, I don't go out all the time, but when I do, I feel like it's always fun to meet up with friends and just catch up. And I've known these girls since I was in university, so I've known them for quite a few years now. And yeah, it was a really, really good day. But I'm gonna go home now. I'm actually so tired. I'm starting to get a sore throat. And so I'm gonna go and buy ginger so I can sort out my own type of remedy. But yeah, it was a really good day, and I'm not sure if I'm going to end the video here or if there's going to be any other clips to come, but I hope you guys enjoyed following me and the little bits and bobs that I do throughout the week.